Hey everyone, this is Farhan Jameel, and this video is specifically for those who are willing to appear in IELTS, OET, PTE or any sort of English exam. I'm going to talk about two things. Number one, how SIFE training can help you to prepare for your exam. Number two, what is the done base thing and how we can help you in the done base, because we are getting a lot of inquiries nowadays that we want to do IELTS, PTE, Oxford English test on the done basis. So how SIFE training can help you in that regard, that is what we are going to talk about in this video. Number one, why do you need to select SIFE training for your exam preparation? There are few things which make SIFE trainings totally different than the other institutions or maybe than the other instructors. Number one, we never take a student directly to the class. The first step that we do is to conduct the assessment test. That assessment test helps us to understand what is the level of this specific student who is planning to take the training. It's not about, let me show you one assessment report. Assessment report would always be like this. This is an assessment report that we recently created for one of the students, and this contains everything that what are the remarks, and secondly, how about the writing skills? What are the weaknesses in the writing? What are the strengths in that particular candidate's writing? Same as for speaking, what are the things that specific person needs to understand when it comes to learning the speaking? What are the weaknesses in that, and what would be the areas we are going to work on? Those things get highlighted. So the purpose of showing this thing is, it's always about getting the assessment in the beginning, understanding what is the level of the student, the basic, intermediate, advanced, maybe what things that particular student needs to learn during the training. And then after the assessment test, we create an assessment report. Based on the assessment report, we create the customized course outline for every student, which means every student is going to learn only what things he has to learn. It's not about wasting time learning the general content that teacher has prepared already and is going to deliver in the lecture. It's not about that. It's more about what you need. We are going to teach you that. Because if we talk about learning English in general, it's going to take more than 10 years even. So this assessment helps us to understand that which category of the class you're going to attend. Would that be basic? Would that be intermediate? Would that be advanced? Or what specific things you need to learn? We are going to arrange some special classes for you as well. So that is about the assessment thing. What happens afterward? Then you start taking the training. Training is going on. In usual, we conduct 4 classes. One would be for speaking, one writing, one for reading, one for listening. So you will be occupied 4 days a week. You will be attending one class for one module each day. After that, there would be a 5th class for the mock test. Then you get the mock test report. From that mock test report, you would understand how much have you improved, because you're going to compare it with the assessment test. Assessment test, training, mock test. Now you compare it. How much have I improved? Then we make another report. What are the things we have to cover in the coming week? And that is how, the name of the course that we offer is Complete Preparation Course, which means it has nothing to do with the duration. It is all about your complete preparation. And that means once you will start scoring more than your desired band in the mock test, we will give you the go-ahead to appear in the exam. If you're not scoring the desired band, we won't tell you that your course is over, you have to pay the fee again. It's a one-time payment that you make to SIFE training to help you prepare for your exam. Now, coming back to the other thing, which is the done-based thing. Most of the students nowadays, I don't know why people from Pakistan, they are more into the done-based thing, and they are willing to spend a lot of money on this thing that, like, we don't want to prepare. Somebody should appear in the exam, or somehow you just get me the certificate and I'm willing to pay you 3 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever is the amount going on in the market. I don't know about that. But still, done-based thing has a lot of disadvantages. Number one, we do not offer the done-based in an illegal way, but we do offer that in a very legal way. The legal way is we provide you executive one-on-one training, which means if you go to the class, you are going to experience that there are 10 students who are learning with you. But if you come to the executive training, it's only you and the trainer. That's it. In a class, in a group class, a teacher, the instructor is concerned about 10 students, and he is keeping every student in his mind when providing the training. But in one-on-one training, instructor is just focusing on you for the whole of the class. That executive class helps everybody to get the desired band, even more than desired band, and for which we even give the guarantee that you're going to get your desired band. It's again complete preparation program, but we call it executive because it's about you and the instructor only, which gives 100% result. We offer you that. Now, what is happening? I have heard a lot of stories from my students. Some of the students say that someone has charged the money, they are going to take me to some room, and over there they are going to give me their own dressing, my cell phone will get captured, I will not be allowed to use the cell phone over there, then they will give me everything, whatever is going to appear in the exam the next morning. But those students even get back to me that it did not happen after paying a lot of money. People are contacting, I'm not saying that I don't know, but the thing is, why do we have to look for a way like that? You know, when you will go abroad, ultimately you have to show your skill. Ultimately you have to speak in English. You will be writing, you'll be reading, you'll be listening to the content. We as a nation are already very down. I would suggest you not to look for these kind of the ways. It's better if you prepare yourself, and we have a course for you which is called the executive training. Prepare yourself in that, and I assure you, after 1 month, 2 months, you will be prepared. You are gonna get that done based thing in a legal and a practical way. I would suggest you to go for that. Now, if you want further detail, I have a plan to make more videos to explain about SIFE training, to explain about how things work in SIFE training and in your specific course. So keep watching, and thank you so very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.